Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I shared my favorite beef stir-fried flat rice noodles 河粉 recipe in my last video, and I mentioned I make the flat rice noodles 河粉 myself from scratch. In this video, I will share how to make the flat rice noodles from scratch. It is very simple and easy to follow. You can enjoy anytime at home after this video. Okay, let's get started now. 130 gram rice flour, 30 gram tapioca flour, 30 gram wheat starch. If you are gluten intolerant, you can use tapioca flour instead, which will make up to 60 gram tapioca flour in total. 1.5 gram salt. Mix everything well together and then slowly add 390 ml water to the flours. Add half of the water to the flours first, and then mix it well with the flour with a spatula. Add the remaining water in and mix it well with the batter, and then let it rest for 30 minutes. For the tools, you can use this kind of stainless steel flat tray or glass container that can fit into your steamer. I like to use glass container more, as it won't bend after heating up by the steam. Also, I reckon it is easier to remove the cooked rice noodle sheet from the container after steaming. For this video, I used the two glass containers that I can find at home to speed up the process. Another tool is a steamer. I use the electronic steamer, but you can also use a steamer on stove. Finally, we need to prepare some light color non-aromatic oil. I used the canola oil. Heat up the glass container for the first time steaming. Brush a layer of oil at the bottom of the container. Put it to the steamer and steam for 1 minute. Repeat the same process to another container for the first time steaming only. Now we can start cooking. Take the prepared rice flour liquid out. Remember to give it a good mix first, as the flours tend to settle at the bottom of the water. I used a quarter cup to measure the liquid for my containers. Take the glass container out from the steamer. This is a big one. Mix the flour's liquid again before taking a scoop out. As you can see, I didn't use a full quarter cup because I do not want the rice noodle sheet too thick after steaming. You should be able to adjust the thickness after few steaming. Put the container to the steamer and let it steam for about few seconds. Move the glass container to even up the liquid and then put the lid on and steam for 4 minutes. 4 minutes later, the first rice noodle sheet is done. Take it out from the steamer and repeat the same first time preparation process to the smaller container. Now go back to the steamed rice noodle sheet. Brush a layer of oil on top and let it cool down for about 5 minutes. Brush a layer of oil on a big flat plate. Now we go back to rice noodle sheet that have been cooled down. Use a spatula to loosen the side first and then slowly remove it out from the container. And then put the oil brushed side down on the plate. Remember, always put the oil brushed side down on the plate. Brush another layer of oil on top. For the smaller container, I use a little bit less flour liquid and steam for 3 minutes. Repeat the same process until all the flour liquid is finished. Finally, color from the longer side to the width that you want. Separate the rice noodle layers, and then it is ready to cook with your preferred ingredients. The fresh flat rice noodles, 河粉, is soft, elastic, and slippery. It is very popular to be used in stir-fry and in soup. I love its texture and flavor very much. However, it may be difficult to find it near home. I hope this video will be helpful for you and let you enjoy the 河粉 whenever the craving strikes. If you like this video, please share it out. Okay, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!